Good morning, guys. Sunday morning in Mazatlan. Pretty quiet. You can still hear some rumbling engines from Bike Week. But I was up early this morning, 5 o'clock, and at that time you heard all kinds of them because I guess everybody was getting up and getting back on the road to go home. And we're on Belisario Dominguez. Ironic that 3 cars went by the moment I started to film, because usually it's very quiet on Sunday. I'm a little late getting out today. I got up early and I started editing the video I had from yesterday's motorcycle week parade. I published that before I left the house. So I'm running an hour and a half late compared to my normal start. Very tropical looking school. You get the playground covered with a roof so you don't get sun. Yeah, so today I thought I'd just go down and enjoy a little bit of peace and quiet and see who's down in Centro. So all the big events are over. For Mazatlan Carnival is done. Semana Santa is done. Bike Week is done. A lot of people have already left to go back up north. A lot of the 6-month crowd. Last Tuesday I was out to pool. Usually there's about 20 guys there. I think there was 8 of us. So it's really kind of thinned out. And now we settle in for a relatively quiet summer season. On that last bike. You see that all the time here. Look at this whole place. Man, that could be turned into some nice place with enough money and effort. There's another one over here. Look at this classic old building. That's big. It's certainly a beautiful morning this morning. It's got to be 26 degrees. Just a little breeze out of the west. Really nice weather. Yeah, here's a building. Needs some TLC. And another one, that red one there. But here's one that's been all fixed up. And it looks really nice. There's so many great old buildings in Mazatlan. It could be saved. Yeah, that one's looking a little rough, but it's not beyond repair. across the street here. There's a stunning example of what can be done. That house is beautiful. And big. And these big tree stumps, they cut down 3 massive trees last year, about a year, maybe a year and a half ago, because the roots were going in underneath the floor of that house and busting up 100-year-old tile floors. So they took them down. Kind of a sin, but what are you going to do? Can't let it wreck your house. And then I'll just go across the street here and I'll show you the one behind us. Check this place out. This is beautiful. I've gone by here when the front doors are open. There's a big courtyard inside there. Then the house, it's just massive. It is top notch. All the wood is restored, varnished. Really something. Pretty fancy looking Porsche. We get off the main street. Yeah, this great big house. Look, you can see inside here. Great big arches. Massive courtyard out back. And it's for sale. It's been for sale for a long time, but it's a massive house. I have no idea what you're talking about a restoration cost, but it would be a lot, I'm sure. But boy, you'd really have something. Yeah, look at those big arches in there. Zoom in here for you. This place here, Villa Serena. One of my buddies stayed here for a few months. It's really neat. They have, I don't know, probably a dozen or more really unique apartments in there. Some of them are very nice. Still bikes around. Yeah, we're coming up to the Totem restaurant where the pita works. See the rooftop deck they got up here? Really a nice restaurant. Even got a very top floor deck up there. It's a really popular place. Peter says they've been crazy busy. Hector's, always popular for breakfast, especially on Sunday morning. How you doing? Sunday morning chilling. Another big building needs restoration. And this big fancy, and believe it or not, the parking garage with flower boxes. They built that sort of in the colonial style. Looks very nice. Certainly fits in down here in Central. Mucho motos. We are Machado Plaza. It's a good place for me to sit down and have a cup of coffee and see who comes along to talk to. That is the plan. So thanks for watching, guys. Check out that Moto Parade video. I did a few videos in the Moto Week. Appreciate all of you when you hit that like button. Bye for now. Talk to you soon.